Hi, my name's Michelle Stiles. I'm a physical therapist and your knee rescue expert. Today we're going to take a look at the question, why are my knees in pain? All right, and we're going to use a mirror. I know that sounds a little bit crazy, but we are, okay? But just hold on to that 1 minute, and I want to explain something first, okay? Biomarkers of inflammation, okay, like C-reactive protein, are associated with progression of knee osteoarthritis. So if you have elevated CRP, right, you're on the fast track to ruining your knees. All right? Now, think about that. That's not a good thing. So you want to get off it. So what is causing elevated whole body inflammation? Well, for the most part, the standard American diet. Things like boxed and processed foods, vegetable oils, too much sugar in our diets, non-organic food. We have pesticides and toxins coming in. And, look around, right? There is an epidemic of knee pain, right? People in their 40s and 50s, I'm telling you, that is not normal. Don't get it into your head that's normal. Don't go on some forum or something and everybody say, oh yeah, it's normal, it'll be great. I'm telling you, it's not normal and it won't be great, okay? I've seen plenty of things, and I can look into the future and say, if you can solve your knee pain some other way, you need to look into doing it. And I'm sharing with you part of that thing right today, okay? So let's take the mirror and pick up the mirror, and I want you to ask yourself the question, am I at least somewhat responsible for my chronic knee pain? What's your diet like? Okay, ask yourself that question. Look again, ask yourself very slowly, am I partially responsible or somewhat responsible for my chronic knee pain? I think the answer for most people is yes. Okay? Now, if that's the case, right, depending on your personality, that may be actually really bad news or good news. It's bad news if you're a quick fix type person. You're a pill popper, you want an instant solution. Maybe the knee replacement suits you fine, good, we get it done and we'll move on, right? It's good news if you're that person who wants to have control, basically control your own health and control your own destiny out in the future, okay? So, now listen, before you leave, don't leave this video yet, because this is the most important part of the video, okay? You see this dashboard behind me. Your chronic knee pain is like a check engine light on your dashboard. Okay, so if you were driving from New York to LA and that check engine light came on, you'd stop and pull over and investigate it. You probably wouldn't cut the cord and go on, because something worse would happen. Well, that's exactly what might happen with knee pain. Okay, so we know that there's an elevated risk for cancer, heart disease, and dementia with people who have knee osteoarthritis. So inflammation is implicated in all those chronic diseases that we see now exploding in our culture around us. So I think that you want to be one of those people that can avoid that whole thing. So listen to the check engine light and be thankful and grateful for your knee pain right now, because it may be warning you of something even worse that could happen to you that you're not really sensing or aware of, and you can avoid it. Okay? So diet and lifestyle changes are the key to that. All right, and I'll be talking about that more in the future, but thanks for listening to this video, and we'll see you on the next video.